If you want to protect your Epic Games account or you missed the 2FA prompt during signup, you can still turn it on in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Gmail 2FA in your Epic Games account step by step so you can keep your games, purchases, and logins secure. This is one of the easiest ways to add an extra layer of protection, and it only takes a moment to set up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the page loads, click Sign In and log in with the Epic Games account you want to secure. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings. Now on the left-hand side, click the Password and Security tab. This is where Epic Games keeps all of your login protection and security settings. If two-factor authentication is not already enabled, you should see options for setting it up here. Depending on your account status, Epic may first ask you to verify your email address before you can continue. At this point, open your Gmail inbox and look for an email from Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder, promotions tab, or any other email categories just in case it was filtered there. Open the message and copy the verification code provided in the email. Then go back to the Epic Games page and paste that code into the verification field. Once you enter it correctly, continue to the next step. After the code is accepted, Epic Games will confirm that your account security has been updated. At that point, two-factor authentication will be enabled, which means anyone trying to log in will need more than just your password. That extra step makes a huge difference, especially if your password is ever leaked or reused on another site. If you were previously skipped past the 2FA prompt during setup, don't worry. You can always come back and enable it manually using the same path through account and password and security. It's quick, it's free, and it's one of the best things you can do to protect your Epic Games profile. Before you finish, take a second to make sure your Gmail address is the one you actually have access to, because that's where your verification emails will go. Keeping your email secure is just as important as securing the Epic account itself. If possible, also make sure your Gmail account has its own security protections turned on, so your recovery and login methods stay safe too. So, let's quickly recap. Go to Epic Games, sign in, open account, click password and security, check your Gmail for the verification code if prompted, enter it, and complete the 2FA setup. That's it. Your Epic Games account is now much better protected. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.